Once upon a time, in a beautiful meadow, a girl named Lily had two friends, Cotton, the rabbit, and Dew, the lion cub. They loved playing together, running and hiding among the colorful flowers. One day, they came to a fast-moving river. Dew thought it would be fun to cross it, but Cotton was too scared. Dew encouraged Cotton to hop on his back, and together they paddled across the river. Cotton was brave and strong, and they made it to the other side. From that day on, the three friends knew they could overcome any obstacle as long as they stuck together. They explored the meadow without fear, a rabbit, a lion, and a girl, united by their bravery and friendship.